Understanding gut health.
Gut health refers to the balance and function of bacteria and microorganisms in your digestive system. A healthy gut helps digest food, absorb nutrients, and support your immune system. When things go wrong, your body often sends out warning signs. Recognizing these signs can help you take action before more serious problems arise.
Digestive discomfort, a common warning.
Frequent bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation are among the most noticeable signs of an unhealthy gut. Occasional digestive issues are normal, but if these symptoms persist or disrupt your daily life, it could mean your gut bacteria are out of balance or your digestive tract is inflamed.
Unexpected symptoms beyond digestion.
Fatigue, poor sleep quality, and unexplained mood changes may also point to gut health issues. The gut communicates with your brain through chemical signals, so imbalances can affect mental health and energy levels. If you notice changes in your mood, focus, or sleep alongside digestive problems, your gut may need attention.
Skin problems and food intolerances.
Acne, eczema, and other skin flare-ups can be linked to poor gut health. When the gut barrier is weakened, it can cause inflammation throughout the body, including the skin. Likewise, developing new food sensitivities or intolerances may suggest your gut is struggling to process certain foods.
When to take action for your gut.
If you recognize several of these signs, consider reviewing your diet, managing stress, and consulting a healthcare professional. Early attention can prevent complications and restore balance. Simple changes, like eating more fiber, staying hydrated, and limiting processed foods, often make a noticeable difference in gut health.